Hey guys, it's Molly. For those that don't know me, I'm an abstract artist here in South Florida. For those that do, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing, over the next few weeks, a series of rainbow-based Dutch pours, meaning I'm going to pick each of the colors of the rainbow and then create different color combinations that I think go well. The reason that I'm doing this is I really want to branch out and explore different color combinations and different color palettes. And my hope is that it'll be an inspiration for you to get out of your norm of whatever you do and try something a little bit different. I took some time, I reorganized all my shelving, I kind of got my head together, I work, and I'm so much more creative when I'm organized. And I just really can't wait to get this started. So make sure you leave me a comment and let me know what colors you would have used or what colors you have used with those different bases. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I have videos coming out weekly and I'll see you down on the canvas. Okay, you guys, going totally out of my range for the next few paintings. They won't be in a row, but like I described at the beginning, I really wanted, I've had it in my head for a while, to do a 9-piece set, and I want it to be rainbow colors as the base. So it won't be exactly the color of the rainbow. I'm not trying to match them, but I'm gonna do a red, an orange, yellow, each base of the rainbow. And I'm doing this really, I mean, obviously I want to make a beautiful painting. Here, I'll paint while I talk to you. But I'm doing this really so that I can test out color combinations together and give you guys inspiration. So when I was picking this color scheme out today, I wanted to use a metallic, but I wanted to use something different. So I went with silver instead. So that's kind of the consistency of my paints. They just kind of dribble back off. Everything's mixed with, all of these are Amsterdam paints with water, except for the silver is Soho and water. And then I'm just gonna experiment, go crazy. So you guys can let me know in the comments if, you know, if one of the colors of the rainbow is the base, if you have some good kind of combinations to go with that. My next one's gonna be orange. I don't know if it'll be bright orange or maybe like a muted, kind of more vermilion or kind of burnt orange color. I'm not sure yet. I think I'm probably gonna stay with bright bases though. And then my white and my black will be all the colors of the bases that I've used. So I don't know, it's a concept in my head. We'll see if it actually comes out that way. All right, let me spread this on the canvas and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'd already painted my sides and I'm glad that I did, but this red is absolutely beautiful. Gosh, I didn't have my, just wipe it on the apron, Molly. Okay, so when I'm thinking about this, I'm thinking, what color do I want to start with? And I think I'm gonna do, do I want to do the, I think I'm gonna do the red violet next to, yeah, I think so. I'll tell you the colors in just a second. Okay, so I did that one. I think next I'll go, so it's also gonna be about layering the colors because immediately, I don't know if my eye likes that set of colors. That's actually light rose. This is turquoise green. And then here's my silver. And then maybe just a little bit more there. And then a little bit of white in the middle. And actually maybe just a little drip more of turquoise, and because I don't want my white to be kind of taking over the pour. Now the next thing is, do I blow it over or just blow it out? I do it both ways. I think I'm gonna blow it around, we'll see. So this is all, you guys look at what I'm doing, and if you like the end result, you can copy it, but if not, take it and change it and make it your own so that you can get the painting that you want. All right. that cell reaction. Gosh, that is beautiful. I'm just gonna torch this, see if anything pops up here. There's like a perfect cell of colors right there. Okay, I'm gonna blow this out. Okay, I wanna get rid of that part right there. Just put a little bit more red right there. Oh my gosh. Now there is a lot of paint under here, so I'm just gonna hope that this dries well. I actually like that the white didn't show up. I love the aqua with this red, or the turquoise green with this red color. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. There's a lot of paint right here. Holy cow. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I know you're yelling at me. I'm gonna stop blowing. I'm gonna stop blowing. Right here. Done. Done. Now let's just see if it dries well, because I have a big puddle of paint right here. Oh, and I want to blow out this one little... It's going to suck back together as the paint blows back. Okay, really, I'm done. I'm going to show you guys. I so hope that this dries like this. Oh my gosh, look at that. You guys know what I was about to say, right? Would you just look at it? Oh my God, I realize that I say that when I get super excited about a painting. I understand. I love it. All right, you guys let me know what you think. This is number 1 out of the series. And you guys also let me know what you think for what colors I should use with my orange base. So I will show you guys the dried result. Okay guys, I lost daylight so I couldn't show you up on my wall, but it dried amazing. All the little details stayed where they were supposed to. I'm so happy. That little part of the, and then look, that's the silver. How about that, huh? Look at that shine. I'm so glad that I went with silver instead of, so there, kind of like it's on my wall, right? I'm so glad I went with the silver. I love the aqua or the turquoise. I'm kind of glad that the white didn't show up too much. That lacing stayed right in the center. It didn't move a lot because I had my canvas level. I mean, I can't be happier. I cannot wait for the next one, for the orange base one. I'm a little nervous actually, but just every detail. And I was worried because I had a lot of paint in the center. And it dried perfectly, man. So you guys can let me know what you think. You can give me some color combos for the orange. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, happy painting. Bye.